Okay, this might be my first, like, short video, and it's definitely different content than what I post now. But I just want you guys to know, if you guys don't know. What I just stumbled across was with this guy. So for us, we have a Samsung washing machine, and I was noticing that there was water buildup inside of it. So I took it out, dumped it on the sink in the kitchen, right? And then I washed it, rinsed it out, and then I realized there's some residue on it. I realized, oh shoot, there's some stuff around in here. And I noticed that there's black mold. The whole entire thing had black mold. I thought I got it all, but there's still more right there, as you could see. So this contraption where it's dumping out water, you guys need to make sure you guys clean it. So what I used was just some of this, and I wiped it on the inside. I thought I got it all, so that's why I was gonna just spray it with some vinegar. This is cleaning vinegar in a bottle. I know it says hydrogen peroxide, but yeah, I guess I just have to clean it a little bit more. But yeah, it's pretty gross, dude. It's like mold, I believe, but it was so much darker than right now, like so dark. I don't know if this is gonna make cut or anything. I just wanted you guys to know, because typically I feel like people wash their clothes and they wipe down the machine and stuff like that, clean it a little bit, but people might not know about the whole interior of the machine, which I had no idea this would ever happen other than the drawer that comes out, because we found some stuff on that and I cleaned it pretty thoroughly because I was pretty disgusted. And now I'm even more so with this, because if that's the case, that means that's been that way since the time I cleaned it last, which was a few months back. And I was like, oh, we should be doing good now. But yeah, I don't know. I think it's all clean now. So then I'm gonna just spray it to hopefully get everything else. I'm just gonna spray it now with the vinegar, and I'm gonna leave it for a little bit, and then I'm gonna wash my clothes. Should have probably done this without a load in there, but rather clean it now than worry. So that's all vinegared up. Vinegar is a really good disinfectant, so that should kill all the mold, I believe. For this guy, we're gonna do the same thing. So we're gonna just spray him in the sink. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna spray him and then put it back in there. But yeah, these things happen. I mean, oh shoot, something went on. I'm gonna go investigate, and then you find out more stuff that you didn't even know about. Like, that's exactly what happened to me just now. You know, it is what it is. Don't worry about the dishes. I'm gonna clean that later. And this guy's a little bit finicky to get in because one of his sides is broken, as you can see. Let me show you. That guy's broken, so it has a weird thing to get on the track. But I've had to do it so many times now that it's kind of not the worst thing, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, that's what you do. So you would want to first grab a wipe or two, wipe down the interior, and then use your phone to see if there's anything else in there. And then once you get all the mold, then you want to turn on over to your cleaning vinegar, preferably in a spray bottle. Chuck that in there, let it soak for a little bit, and then I'd say run your thing just like normal. But yeah, this is definitely a bit of a switch up from my videos, so I don't know where to leave it, but it's been nostalgic in a different way. Nostalgic health and care, house and care. I don't know. Let's see what we do. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys, and hope this helps. Peace. All right, dish is completed. Don't mind that. Yep, we let it soak. It smells like vinegar. I like it. Okay, I want to clarify something. I accidentally said something wrong. I said I have a Samsung. I think we used to have a Samsung. I think they make washing machines and drawers, but this is that brand. So, my mistake for getting the wrong thing. But yeah, hope this helps everyone. And I think I know what this is actually going to be called. And you know when you have something in your head and you forget. But yeah, this is going to be called... Oh my gosh, I'll be back. Ah, yes. All right, a very fitting name because I just forgot. Okay, so what it's going to be called is Learning with Nostalgic. So, thank you guys for tuning in to the very first Learning with Nostalgic short. Well, until the next Learning with Nostalgic or my next short videos, I will wash this clothes and I'll get back to you guys in the next one. Been nostalgic with a little bit of twist. Pieces. Again.